How to use the academic OneFile database. First, go to the college's homepage, www.wpcc.edu. Click on the word Library, located in the middle on the top blue bar. Now, on the library's homepage, scroll down and click on the Online Resources link. You are now on the page listing all the databases available for students. Notice that Academic OneFile is the second listed. The top paragraph states that the databases can be accessed off campus, but you will need to enter your regular computer username and password. Click on the blue words Academic OneFile. Academic OneFile opens to a subject guide search. Choose the Advanced Search. Now in the Advanced Search option, you can enter your keywords. The more keywords entered, the narrower your search. Notice that there is an assist as you enter keywords. You must also mark the full text option in order to get complete articles. You also have the option of marking peer-reviewed, academic, or scholarly articles in the checkbox. These will typically be more complex articles with a higher vocabulary and more scientific research. Check with your instructor as to what they want you to use for your research. Further down the page are additional options, including search date, subject, publication title, etc. After choosing your options, hit the search button. When your articles come up, you can click on the blue article titles to read the articles, or you can click on the blue Save button underneath the title to mark the article and place it in a virtual folder. This is only a temporary save. You still need to either email, save, or print out the article. Notice the right-hand column. This shows you how many articles are available for each document type. These may include popular magazines, book entries, newspaper articles, images, videos, audio, etc. You can also narrow down your results by date, subject, and document type. By default, the search first brings up academic journals, but you can click on magazines or other content type using the column to the right. Okay, here we have clicked on an individual article title. The full text is shown. Over to the right is a toolbox. You can find the citation for the article, you can print the article, or you can email or save the article. Let's look at the citation tool. After clicking on the citation tool in the toolbox, a new box pops up. The default citation is MLA, but APA and Chicago are available. Please make sure you choose the option requested by your instructor. If you choose the print option, the page will display in the typical manner, and you will choose your options and hit the print button. Another option is to mark several articles by clicking on the Save box under the titles. This will place them in a virtual folder. To access the folder, click on the More button located on the right side of the gray bar at the top of the page. This reveals additional icons. Now you want to click on the My Folder. Now we can see the titles of the two articles we marked and placed in our virtual folder. We can now use the tools in the toolbox to print, email, or save the articles as a group. If you need additional assistance, you can call the librarian at 448-3160 and request an appointment to receive further coaching on this database.